Stream some sports on your Amazon Fire TV stick all for free. Head to the search icon and type in DOWN for downloader. Pop right up. Gives you the ability to sideload applications that might not be available on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Download it, install it. If you like what you're watching, please share it with a friend. Once downloader is installed, let's not open it yet. Head to the home screen. Under the search icon, type in Surfshark, S-U-R-F. Surfshark is a VPN application which will safeguard our online activity. Download it, install it, create an account, log in. Once you've logged in, look for the area you want to be. Right now it says I'm not connected. And I'm going to click Detroit. Now it's connected. My online activity is secure. Head back to the home screen, and under the settings icon right at the far end, look for My Fire TV. Now I have developer options listed, you may not, and if you do not, highlight About and click on it, and then have Fire TV Stick highlighted. Click the select button multiple times, and now no need, you are now a developer. Go back one, highlight Developer Options and click on it. And then highlight Install Unknown Apps, and then we have Downloader here. Turn it on. This allows a downloader to install other applications that are not from the Amazon App Store. So let's head to the home screen and find the 3 squares plus sign symbol, your apps and games section. I'm going to highlight Downloader and use the 3-line button on my remote and move it to the front. Now Downloader is front and center. We can open it up. This will be our new app store. Yes, allow Downloader to access photos and media on your device. Click OK. And then here in the search area, type in 370178. This sends us to the Led by the Unknown website, the downloads page, where we can get some awesome applications for your Fire TV stick. Once the redirect is completed, use your 3-line button on your remote, and now we can add current page to the favorites, push save, and then you use the favorites on the left side toolbar there to get to this page. Now guys, in this page you got some videos to check out and a bunch of applications that I'm sure you will love. Let's head on down. Get out your phone, take a shot of this QR code, and you can get up to 86% off and 5 free months off of Surfshark VPN. Now as you can tell, we got movies, TV shows, live TV, streaming apps, sports are included in here. So we got Pluto, Zumo, you name it, Peacock, DAZN, ESPN. You can click on like Pluto TV. Install it. In the bottom right. And then click Done. Now we can delete the APK file. We no longer need it. Well, let's head to the home screen. And under the Your Apps and Games icon here, find Pluto TV, highlight it, and move it to where you would like it. Let's open up Pluto TV and see what we got. Pluto TV, movies, TV shows, and live TV. Movie section, comedy, classics, westerns, sci-fi, drama, true crime, reality, sports. If you guys are looking for some sports, guys, you looking for some NFL? Bunch of sports here. You name it, we got it. All good. Peace. Enjoy.